In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit documents in Microsoft Word. Editing is an essential skill for creating professional, clear, and accurate documents. Whether you're working on assignments, reports, letters, or any type of text, knowing how to efficiently edit in Word helps you save time, correct mistakes, and make your document look polished and professional. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing file you want to edit. Once the document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and Review. Each of these tabs offers tools that will help you edit your document in different ways. The first step in editing is to correct basic text errors. Click anywhere in your document to place the cursor and type or delete text as needed. You can also select words or sentences and use the cut, copy, and paste features to move text around. The undo and redo buttons are also very helpful if you make a mistake or want to reverse a recent change. Next, formatting your text is an important part of editing. Use the Home tab to change font style, size, color, or add emphasis with bold, italics, or underline. You can also adjust paragraph alignment, line spacing, and indentation to make your document more readable and organized. Consistent formatting gives your document a professional look. Another useful tool is Find and Replace, which helps you quickly locate specific words or phrases and replace them with new text. You can access this feature by pressing Ctrl-H or by going to the Home tab and clicking on Replace. This is particularly helpful for long documents where manually searching for text would take a lot of time. You can also use the Review tab to track changes, add comments, and review edits if you are collaborating with others. Track changes allows you to make edits that are visible to others, while comments can be used to provide explanations or suggestions. This makes collaboration much easier and ensures everyone involved can follow the changes. Finally, always save your work frequently. Use the Save or Save As option to keep your document updated and prevent losing any edits. You can also use different file formats if needed, such as Word documents, PDFs, or plain text files. Editing documents in Microsoft Word is straightforward once you know the tools available. With practice, you'll be able to correct errors, format text, and make professional-looking documents quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.